This Alliance Properties property video is presented by Sherry Melcher. Charming 3-half single-story nestled on a quiet double-lot home site in the master-planned community of Newport. Backyard swimming couldn't be more perfect with no back neighbors on a quiet cul-de-sac. The floor plan offers a living area with wood-burning fireplace upon entry, expansive family room with vaulted ceilings and picture windows across the back of the house, and extra space for a study and plenty of natural sunlight throughout. You'll love spending time outdoors all year with a heated pool, hot tub and covered deck. A 3-year home warranty included. Newport also offers amenities including pool, tennis courts, 4 pocket parks, splash pad, miles of paved trails, lake and river access and boat launch, fitness center and community room. For more information, review the details below.